Trucktown. Every day it's something new. We'll build it up with Jack and his friends. Smash it down, build it up again. Every day it's a fun new game. Trucktown, it's where I wanna play. Come on, let's go and play in Trucktown. There is always lots to do. Let's rev it up today in Trucktown. Every day it's something new. Come on!
Trucktown!
Jumping bumpers!
Trucktown!
Come on, let's play in Trucktown!
Truck sliding. This icy snow sure is slippery. Real slippery. Oh, jumping bumpers. Whoa! I love sliding in the snow. What's up? Whoa! Trucks? Snow, snow, snow! So, Jackety Jack, do you wanna play? Yeah, time for some power sliding. Oh, yeah! Come on! Hey, watch this! Power slide! That was great, great, great! But short, short, short. You know where sliding would be even better? Pipes Peak! I know what we can play today! Truck sliding!
All right!
Let's go! The sooner we get to the top, the sooner we can slide back down. Let's roll!
That slippy, slippery!
The slipperier the better for sliding. But we're gonna need better grip if we want to climb Pipes Peak. Whoa!
Hey, we should put on our chains. I love the extra grip they give us to get up snowy hills.
Chains! Right. Chains. Good idea, Dan. Uh-oh.
Let's go, 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 go! Jack?
Now, this part goes on the axle, or is it this part? If I just stretch them a little bit. Whoa!
Oh.
Need some help with those chains, Jackety Jack?
Nope, I got it. Go ahead, Trucks, I'll catch up.
10-4, Jack.
See ya. Right over left, around the axle, over the hubcap. Ah, potholes. I don't want them to have to come all the way down and help me now. Ow! Oh, I'll climb without chains. I'll power my way up. Easy peasy, oil can squeezy.
We'll be truck sliding in no time. Oh, yeah!
That's okay. Sliding's fun. Got to go up. Whoa! Yeehaw!
We're ready to slide. Oh, yeah.
You bet! High tire, Dan! High tire, Jack! Jackety Jack?
Huh?
Aren't you coming up, Jack?
Yeah, I'm just having a blast sliding without chains. Yeah!
That looks like fun!
You said it. Let's lose our chains, too. Are you trying to slide down?
No!
Me either. Nuts and bolts. Jack, we might need a little tow here.
Uh-oh. Roadblock. I'm coming, Trucks! Potholes. Trees! That's it! Time to fly. Woo-hoo! Here I come!
If we had our chains on, we could just drive up. Nuts and bolts.
Don't worry. I have another idea. Hoods together. Actually, hood. Huh? There's a cave right here. I think I know a way through it to reach you. Just hold on a little longer. Ah! I might have to smash through a wall to get to them.
Uh-oh.
What's that?
Ooh.
Dan?
Max! Gotcha! Better cut out the banging, Jack. Max is now a tire swing.
Oops, sorry. That's a roadblock. We gotta figure this out. Somehow I have to get up there to get them down. But how? Oh. How come I had grip in the snow all of a sudden? My chains! I get it. If I'd asked my friends to help me with them in the first place, we'd be playing right now. I need help with my chains. Can you tell me how to put them on?
Sure, just put left over right, through the lawnmower hole.
Around the underpass and pull!
Left over right, through the lawnmower hole, around the underpass, and pull. I did it! These fit great! And they work great! Coming, Trucks! Yeah!
Hurry, hurry, hurry!
I'm almost there. Wait, I forgot your chains.
Yikes!
Pedal to the metal. Got it. Ready, set, roll! Yeah!
Uh-oh!
Thanks. Sorry I took so long. I should have asked for help with my chains in the first place.
And Max and I shouldn't have taken ours off. That's why we got stuck.
Here you go.
Oh, yeah. Thanks, Jack.
Wazza wazza woo woo! So who's up for a climb?
Oh, yeah!
Yeah, yeah, yeah! Yeah, yeah, yeah! Let's go, 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 go! But what do we do next? This! We'll just race up and slide back down again. And again! New way to play. Chain driving and truck sliding.
Let's do it!
If there's something you don't know how to do, just ask a friend for help, and they can show you. Hey guys, wait up! Pipe games. I love playing with new stuff. What's up, Trucks? Besides this pipe, what's up? I can't look. Nice catch, Jackety Jack!
Hello.
Yes! Hi, Crainer.
Hi, Crainer.
Lovely pipe, Jack. But do you have enough space to play here?
You're right, Crainer. We'll go somewhere with room for all of us to play with it. Let's roll!
I'm just gonna take a nap. I'll see you trucks later.
See ya! Tally ho! Right behind you, trucks!
I know what we can play today. Pipe games. And everybody can make up their own rules. It'll be fun.
Oh, I've got something. I call it taking a spin. She's trucktastic. Whoa! Woohoo!
Who wants to turn next?
Me! Let's go, 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 go! Down. You try, Jack!
Pedal to the metal. All right. Hey, Crainer, mind pulling the pipe out of the ground for us?
Oh, my! It's all fun and games until someone loses a pipe. Whoa!
Hey, I have an idea.
Perhaps I can help.
Thanks, Crainer.
You're welcome.
My turn. Oh, yeah.
A ramp! Truckerific! Now what?
Check it out.
Whirling wrecking balls. He's making a pipe tower.
I call it Teetering Tower of Truckishness. Yeehaw! Ta-da!
That's great, Dan. Only, how are you gonna get down?
I never thought of that.
I got it! I got it! Yeah!
Uh-oh.
You okay, Dan?
Rattled, but raring to go.
This is a great game, Jack.
Thanks.
Don't thank me. You guys are coming up with the ideas. Who's next? I think I know a truck that can play some pipe. Take it away, Big Rig.
No problem.
You're up, Felix.
All right! Time for Captain Pipehammer's Wacky Whacktacular!
Now that you got it, what are you gonna do with it, Pete? Let's see what you got, Craner.
My game is unlike any of the others. No rolling, no whacking, no balancing. It's about listening. And now for the grand finale.
He's using it to make music.
Whoa! Oops.
Sounds like it landed in the construction pit.
All right!
Okay. I'll be there to help in a few turns of a crane's tread. It just might take a while.
Hey, Ted!
What, huh?
Have you seen a big red pipe?
Nope. I've been too busy having a nap.
I know it flew in here somewhere.
Look!
How are we gonna get it down to play?
Are you close yet?
La, 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 la.
I think Craner's gonna be a while. We have to figure this out. Hoods together. Since we can't drive up to it, let's each try and knock it down. We can take turns.
One, two, three,
Nice try, Jackety Jack. Just missity missed.
Who wants to go next?
Let's do this!
We're out of drums. Nuts and bolts.
But look what we made.
That's funny. But now what?
Maybe Craner is getting closer. Craner!
No. Hoods together.
Captain Pipehammer thinks we should launch more stuff at it.
We tried that with the oil drums, but we kept missing.
But instead of launching little things one at a time, we can try firing one big thing together. Let's do this! Come on, Dan! Nice!
coming through!
Okay, Trucks. On 3, we all jump. 1, 2, 3.
Bullseye!
We got it!
Oh, nuts and bolts!
Now we have no pipe to play with. Potholes.
But we sure had fun trying to knock it down with the slingshot.
I liked when it made that super cute face in the cliff.
That was fun! Woohoo! And that boulder launcher worked pretty well, too. Even if it broke our pipe into tiny pieces.
Hey, why don't we head back to Pipe's Peak? Maybe we can find another pipe to play with.
Hello. So, what did I miss?
We'll tell you all about it when we get back with a new red pipe.
Oh, fine by me. I could use a rest. Oh.
Yeah, me too, Craner.
Nope.
Nope.
Maybe that was the only red pipe on the peak, Jack.
But we can't give up. We all want to play pipe games again. Let's keep looking, okay?
Sure. But let's lookity-look while we play Truck Tag. Get it?
Haha, not for long, Max. I'm coming for you. Yeah! You're in, Rosie!
I love truck tag. You're next, Pete.
Wait a second. They're playing without a pipe. It's just them. We don't need a pipe to play a game. Just each other. As long as my buddies and I are playing together, anything can be fun.
Oh, yeah!
New way to play. Play without a pipe.
You're it, Jackety Jack!
Sometimes you don't need a toy that bounces or bends. You can always have fun, just playing with friends. Here I come!